Hi guys, Jason Craig here and welcome to another training healthy Christmas recipe series. In the next few days, we're going to be looking at some super healthy yet fun recipes. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Nutrition, exercise, rest. The ingredients needed for optimum health. A simple combination until the demands of life are added. This is especially true for working professionals who spend 8 hours or more at their respective discipline, concentrating their full attention to advancing the corporate ladder while neglecting the body that supports their success. If this sounds like you, then you have come to the right channel. By making a few simple adjustments, you can dramatically transform your life, and I'm here to show you how. My name is Jason Craig, and as an ex-airline pilot who was always on the go, working out in hotel rooms and eating what's available, I understand the challenges of trying to be healthy on a busy schedule. So join me as we uncover more healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.
Alright, now welcome to day number 3 of our healthy Christmas recipe series. Hope you guys have been enjoying it thus far. Today we'll be looking at some breakfast ideas. So 4 breakfast ideas that you guys can use, and these are weight loss oriented breakfasts. So again, it's brought to you by the Serious Fitness YouTube channel. I'll put his link in the description. Let's get right into this delicious recipe.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow, wow. This could be magical. Wow, wow. And here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow, wow. This could be magical. Wow, wow.
Alright guys, hope you enjoy that video. Most importantly, incorporate it into your Christmas cooking. Remember guys, some of these things can be swapped out with local foods that we have here, so feel free to experiment. Just use these as a guide so you can still have fun eating what you love in a healthier way. If you guys love this video, share it with 3 friends that might be interested in this. Also, if you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Until our next video, Jason Craig here, providing healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.